Now it vote. This is our school. This is our choice. We always the rules and regulation of our school. We always respect our justice and rights. We are the future citizens of our country. We always respect our national pride.
Good morning everyone, my respected external evaluators sir, respected teachers, guardians and my dear old friends. I am Muskan Begum. Today I would like to talk about discipline. Discipline is the practice of self-control. Discipline is something that we need in our life. We need to have some order in our life, otherwise everything will haywire. Discipline leads us to the right path. To make life successful, it is very important to follow discipline because discipline makes our success and good characters. Cultivate self-discipline and one day you will achieve greatness. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Miss Pinchi Das. Today, I would like to share with you some information about Gunotsav. Gunotsav is a statewide quality assessment program to evaluate the performance of schools in Assam. The program was intended in 2017 to improve the quality of education in government schools. Gunotsav assessments are conducted every year, covering over 40,000 schools and 50 lakh students. The evaluation focuses on 6 parameters: infrastructure, teaching learning process, school management, student performance, co-curricular activities, and community participation. Schools are graded on a scale of A+ to D, with A+ being the highest based on the performance in education. Thank you.
নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম স্বপ্নম বেগম। আজি 2025 চনৰ ইংৰাজী জানুৱাৰী মাহৰ 8 তাৰিখ, অসমীয়া পুহ মাহৰ 23 তাৰিখ, আজি বুধবাৰ। আজিৰ দিনটো তাৎপৰ্য হৈছে 1642 চনৰ আজিৰ দিনটোত গেলিলিও গেলিলি বিখ্যাত জ্যোতিৰ্বিদগৰাকীৰ মৃত্যু হয়। লগতে 1909 চনৰ আজিৰ দিনটোত আশাপূৰ্ণা দেৱী বঙালী উপন্যাস আৰু কবিগৰাকীৰ জন্ম হয়। ধন্যবাদ।